next feature I want to take care of are these objects that protrude above and below the center here. So I'll just go ahead and create those, and I will want to create a sketch on this plane. I want to use the slot tool, which is new to Inventor 2014, and I just want to make my first point up here, noticeably to the left of the object. I'm just trying not to infer any kind of constraints by where I click. And then I'll left click again, and then drag out or pull out to the right, and left click once more. Okay. Now let's apply a coincident constraint between the midpoint of the slot and the origin. Now I need two dimensions, so let's apply a dimension here, and I'll adjust those accordingly. Of course, yours are going to be different. Alright, and now I will place some circles at the endpoints of the slot. And let's apply an equal constraint between these circles so they'll have the same dimension, and then apply a dimension to one of those circles. And now I'm ready to create the feature, and I will extrude, and there you have it. Okay, and now I'll go ahead and let's work on this hole here. So I'll create a new 2D sketch, and let's just create a circle. And of course you want to dimension that appropriately, diameter dimension. Okay, and now let's work on this side, create another sketch. I guess I could have done this with all one feature. And let's cut that out. Oop. Okay, and back to the home view. Okay, so the last item I'm going to work on is the recessed portion here and on the other side of the object, of course. So I'll create a new 2D sketch there, and I'll use the slot tool again, and I'll just draw my slot in, and then I will apply dimensions that are shown in the book. So a dimension between here and here, and then a dimension for the length of the slot, dimension for the radius of the slot, and then a dimension from the edge to the center of the slot there. Now I'm fully constrained, so let me edit these, and of course your dimensions will be different. And that looks odd. Alright, so I know all these dimensions are right, and that obviously is not right. So I must have not edited one of my first sketch dimensions. So let's just finish sketch, and I'm going to go back to my first sketch. Of course, you probably won't have to edit yours, but I'm seeing that I forgot to edit this dimension, so you edit that to what it should be. And now finish sketch. Now I'll go back to this sketch, and now my slot's in the right spot. So let me now I can extrude, and I will cut that in just by the appropriate amount. Of course, yours is going to be different. So there's the recessed portion on my object. Now, if you're still watching, the book has not introduced the mirror command in 3D yet, but I will go ahead and show you now. So the mirror command is in the pattern panel, so I'll select that, and then I want to select the feature button, and I'll select the last feature, and then I want to choose the mirror plane button, and then choose the default XY plane that passes through the object, and press OK. If we go around to the back of the object, now you can see that recessed portion there as well. So I hope this helps you out, and that concludes this video. It's not quite over yet. Don't forget to change the material properties. This particular object is carbon steel, so make sure that you do that under the iProperties panel. And now I'm done.